Hello, this is IK Tutors, and we are doing the HESI, not the HESI, okay, the high school assessment, right? We're doing decimals, how to read and round decimals. The question that was requested by our client is question number 9. So let's go ahead and get started. So the question states, write each of the following words names as mixed decimal. So there's two things we need to think about here, right? One, we're definitely going to use the place value table, right? And we're gonna put the we have the verbal form of the numbers 6 and 2 tenths. Now we're gonna use the tenths, and we're gonna use the fact that it's mixed decimals, meaning there's a whole number part which goes to the left of the decimal point. If you see here, these points here, the decimal point, so the whole number part is going to go to the left of the decimal point, and the decimal part is going to go to the right of the decimal point. Okay. The last digit is going to be in the place value position. So this tenths is the place value, hundredths. The last word is like the last name that tells you what position you're going to be in. So this is tenths. You're going to be in. That's where the digit goes. The last digit goes there. Here it's hundredths. So the last digit is going to go in the hundredths place. Here it's thousandths. So the last digit is going to go in the thousands place. And here it is also thousands. So the last digit will go into the thousands place. So let's do one and see how it works out. See, put it all together. Okay, so here we have 6 and 2 tenths. So the 6 part is the whole number. That's going to go to the left of the decimal place, which is right here, right? Now the 2 tenths, that's going to be on a decimal point. So that's going to go on the right of decimal point. And the digit 2 has to go wherever that decimal place value is. It says tenth, or whatever the decimal place value says. It says tenths, so we go to the tenths, 1/10 here, and we put the 2 here. And that's it. And then we have our number. It's 6.2. So we're going to go ahead and write that out for A. Now we're going to follow the same procedure for B. It says 17, so the 17 is the whole part that goes over here on the left of the decimal place, direct to the left. And so the N tells you getting ready for the decimal part now, right? So N 400ths. So we're going to go to the hundredths place value, and we're going to put 4 there. Where's the hundredths place value? It's right here, 1 over 100. That's hundredths. We're going to put the 4 there. If there's any empty spaces, we're just going to fill them to the left of that. We're going to fill it with zeros. And there we have. So the answer for this one is going to be 17.04. Now we're going to do the next one. This one says 400. So that's going to go, that's the whole number. It's going to go to the left of the decimal place. This is decimal place again. And to the left of that, we're going to write 400. 400. And now after the end comes the decimal part. 39 thousandths. I'm sorry, 35 thousandths. So we're going to go to the thousandths place, which is right here. And that's where the last digit is going to be. It's going to be 35. So the 5 is the last digit on that. And then this is going to be 35. So it's 3. And if we have any blank positions before the decimal, we just put a 0 there. So this turns out to be 400.035. Okay, now we have one more to do. We're going to use the same technique. This says 56, so that means that's the whole number part. All right, it's a mixed number because you have a whole number and a decimal. So this is the whole number part is 56, so it's going to be 56 here. And so now we're going to do the end tells us we're going to do the decimal part now. They want 278. So we're going to go to the thousandths place, right? Which is, again, this column here. And we're going to write that number out. 8, that's the last digit, and it's going to be 278. So our number is going to be 56.278. That's supposed to be an 8 there. And there we go. So these are our answers. And I hope this helped. If it did, Please remember to like and subscribe so we can continue providing these helpful videos. All right. And I will see you on the next video. Have an amazing day.